Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature one of the hottest hair trends that is all over TikTok right now, and that is of course the look of baby bangs. We are seeing so many baby bang hairstyles taking off in popularity. It is just absolutely crazy, and we are of course here for it. So the first style features baby bangs and more of a mullet variation, and then we see someone who's going to get baby bangs as well as try out the blue hair color trend. Oh, I love this. So beautiful, mixed with the platinum coloring. Such a gorgeous style. So then we move on to the next hairstyle that will feature some baby bangs. Now, if you guys are loving this trend as much as I am and you want to see more of it, definitely be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone else trying out that shaggy style trend and also giving herself some baby bangs. I love this peachy hair color that she has. So pretty. And then we see someone else who has a bob. So she's going to be doing more of like that French girl style bob and putting in some baby bangs. Now, if you are thinking of trying this trend out yourself, you can cut your hair, or you can also bobby pin it to create the look as well. Beautiful. I absolutely love this trend. So then we have someone who's going to be trying the look out on a wig. So she is rocking the chocolate brown hair color trend. And with these bangs, you want them in typically just before your eyebrows. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this color on her complexion. And then we move on to someone who's also going to be trying out the shaggy haircut trend with the baby bangs. Now she has a really interesting hair color, like a mint green shade. So she mixes in a few layers to get that shaggy texture. Gorgeous. I actually really like this color. So unique and fun. And then we move on to someone who is going to be getting a rather drastic variation. So she is doing more of like the mullet trend with the baby bangs in the front. And as you guys know, the mullet has managed to make a major return. I haven't seen many guys wearing the mullet trend, but women are definitely embracing it. Now what I like about this is it's kind of like a subtle mullet variation. She just pretty much got shaven sides, baby bangs, and then the rest of the hair is long. And then we have someone with this gorgeous blue hair who's going to be DIYing her baby bangs. And I really like her hair color as well. So let me know in the comments below who rocked the best version of the baby bangs within this particular video. Is this a trend that you would try out yourself? Are you thinking about trying it out? Have you tried it out before? So she does create some face framing layers to kind of make the baby bangs pop out even more. And this in itself is a trend, adding the side bangs to the baby bangs as well. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.